Hi, this is Jen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eye makeup tutorial using the new Jeffree Star palette, and this will be my actual first attempt at creating an eye makeup tutorial. So here's the palette I'm going to be using, Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I'm going to start with this first shade. It's a light pink matte. It's called Bubblegum. I'm going to use a Sigma E35 and I'm going to apply that to my transition area. This matte color takes quite a bit to build up on the eye. Make sure to blend it out. Okay, I'm going to go in on the other eye and do the same thing. Take the bubblegum shade and put that in my transition area. Going from the outer corner, bringing it into the inner corner. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my Sigma E25 and go into my crease with this light purple shade. It is called Bubblegum. Or I'm sorry, it's called Gumdrop. And I'm going to concentrate this in my crease area. Go ahead and take a little more. And I'm going to also apply that to the outer half of my eye, kind of in my outer V area. And bring that toward the inner corner. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on my other eye with that Gumdrop shade. Apply that in my crease, bring it in, circular motions. Go ahead and pick up a little more. Put some on the outer V area, outer half. Next, I'm going to go put a little glitter glue on the inner half of my eyelid. And then I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade, which is a light pink. It is called Snack. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my finger. And then kind of pat that in. Very nice shimmery pink. I'm going to go in with the MAC 242. And I'm going to make that come up just a little bit more. Go ahead and blend that a little with the purple shade. And I'm going to go ahead and take the glitter glue and apply that to my other eye. Now I'm going to go ahead with the color Snack and pat that on. Go back in with the MAC 242 brush with a little more of the color Snack. Blend it in with the purple. I'm going to go back in with my Sigma E25 brush and add just a little bit of more purple toward the outer part. Now I'm going to take the pencil brush on my lower lash line and I'm going to put the color Bubblegum. Do the same thing to my other eye. Now I'm going to go in with an angled brush and I'm going to take that purple matte color called Gumdrop and I'm going to stamp that close into my lower lash line. Ooh, a little bit of kick up on that one. Same thing on the other eye. And now on my brow bone as a highlight, I'm going to go into this shade right here called Jawbreaker. Then I'm going to use a clean brush and blend around here, around the edges. And that's the finished eye look. Please let me know what you think. Thanks.